The Dumbbell Sumo Deadlift builds thick glutes, hamstrings, and inner thigh strength. It's a hip hinge movement with a forward lean, unlike the Dumbbell Sumo Squat, which is knee dominant and keeps the torso more upright. Here's how to do it correctly. Place two dumbbells on the floor with the ends touching. You can also position the dumbbells side by side and hold with a neutral grip if you prefer. However, I prefer the overhand, palms facing behind your grip, as it more closely resembles a barbell and the dumbbells don't get in the way at the top of the lift. Stand with the dumbbells between your legs in a wide sumo stance, with feet wider than shoulder width, toes turned out at about 30 degrees. Hinge at the hips and bend the knees to grab the dumbbells with an overhand, palms facing behind your grip. Brace your core, pull your shoulder blades down and back, lift your chest, and maintain a neutral spine. Take a deep inhale, then drive through your heels and midfoot to stand, extending your hips and knees together while keeping the dumbbells close to your legs. At the top, squeeze your glutes, stand tall without hyperextending your lower back, and exhale at lockout. Under control, lower the weight by hinging the hips back first, then bending the knees once the dumbbells pass them. Lower the weight only as far as you can while keeping your back flat. Stop immediately if you feel any lumbar rounding to protect your lower back. Repeat for reps. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.